The engraving of universal bottles has resulted in problems that are purely unnecessary. Once collected from the market, we have encountered problems where our vehicles are stopped, searched, and the engraved bottles seized by police officers, claiming they belong to one brewer or the other. Bar owners are being charged with counterfeiting and selling unaccustomed goods, etc. The manufacturers who are fighting on this issue are not being charged. This criminalizes the way the business is run, results in very many lost hours for distributors and bar owners, our workers who sometimes spend man hours in police custody or have our vehicles detained. 7, the marking of Euro bottles also brings back dark memories of the uncivilized beer wars of the 1990s, where a dominant player collects a competitor's bottles from the market and destroys them or withholds them, occasioning high business costs for the other party. It creates an artificial shortage of reusable bottles. The practice of marking or engraving universal bottles is the same 1990s scheme to gain advantage over others and cause harassment of other market players. We have a number of criminal cases which have been instituted against some of our distributors and retailers. There are also many retailers who have been extorted and forced to lose their consignments on the unfounded threat that they are dealing in illegal products. The charges range from dealing in counterfeits, unaccustomed goods, and many others. The effect of this confusion is huge. This scheme to engage in restrictive trade practices cannot and should not be allowed to last a day longer. We as bar owners have resolved to call for a consumer boycott against any manufacturer who wants to cause confusion in the market.